Good morning, you lovely lot. So I'm on my way to Wales. I'm currently on the A34 and should be there within 3 hours. Fingers crossed. Let's hope there's no traffic jams. Weather is overcast. It is meant to be a little bit rainy today, a little bit more overcast, but that's fine. And then the rest of the weekend is meant to be beautiful, very, very hot, like 27, 28 degrees. So yeah, it's going to be a hot one. Anyway, I'll let you know when I get there. So I'm in Wales, as you saw, came over the bridge and I'm here. I am still a little while from IMO, so I've just messaged her to say I'm in Wales, I'm having a wee stop, and yeah, now I've dealt with that, I'm going to hit the road. Just checking out the different campers and motorhomes and bits and bobs that are here. There's quite a few. I'm picking out the stealth vans a bit more now as well. Right, let's go.
Vlog. I should probably speak up a bit, shouldn't I?
Yes, because I don't have a mic like your posh stuff.
Well, hello Pippa's vlog. Nice to meet you.
As I walked past the house, there was a squeal and a "she's here."
I got a bit overexcited.
It was a lovely greeting.
You say it was a little squeal, it was very loud in the house.
And I just have to show you here, look, I'm on the outside. Excuse the terrible footwear, but we are going for a walk, so I didn't plan for beauty, I planned for footwear, for, you know, hiking. But yes, I'm on the other side of the door, because in Wales you're not allowed in people's houses, so we're being very, very good. I might bring the plague from across the water.
Yeah, you might.
I do test regularly, I'll be fine, honest. Look, I'm having one of Imo's meals. Look, one of the ones you see on her vlog that she makes. She's made one for me. Thank you, Imo.
Oh, you're welcome. 2 meters, look.
2 meters with our food.
It's been really weird, hasn't it? Having to be apart.
It is.
Like, so near yet so far.
Yeah.
Come all this way except 2 meters.
Well, I'm not sure that's going to stay on the walk. We'll probably end up having to get closer for the paths and stuff, won't we?
You might need to rescue me if I get stuck.
Hopefully you won't. I'm going to tuck in now to this delicious meal.
Are you filming?
I'm filming.
Oh, sorry.
Call yourself a vlogger.
It's a video. Yeah, I haven't done any filming since you got here.
I'm being very rude. Look, Palmer violets. It is a love it or hate it, isn't it? It's like Marmite.
Well, do you love it? That's lucky. Yeah.
I'm flufficating my camera.
You're
flufficating?
I am, yes. Look, I've got a...
Looks like a hand puppet. You need to stick eyes on it.
Little googly ones.
Yeah.
It's like for a big mic, but I'm just chopping it to pieces.
You should just put the whole camera in it and just cut a hole out for the for the lens.
It's like the guard at Buckingham Palace.
Yeah, there you go. It'd definitely be good if he had googly eyes. Imo, would you like to tell us where we are? Because I can't pronounce it.
I've just been telling my camera that I didn't quite know, but I think it's or Scud-eye, or it could be Skid-eye, because the letter Y in Welsh is a bit variable.
Okay, and what does that mean?
Apparently waterfall country, because it says it on the sign.
Oh, okay. That was me thinking you were being all clever.
I know, it sounded impressive till I went to English.
Which of these toilets? Oh, that ruined it, didn't it?
What?
Which of these toilets will she pop out of, I was going to say.
I was just laughing.
Found in faeces. COVID has been found in these portaloos. Don't risk it. Well, you're stuffed now, Imo. They've got lots of rocky steps, and you can actually come down onto the fall. So I'll get you a better look. Hold on. This is where we watch Imo fall on her butt. Slippy, slippy. Look at the concentration on her face. I will not slip, I will not slip.
That's too good to waste, I'm putting that in the vlog. Right then, so I was just saying, it's like, well, Pepper pointed it actually, and I was saying, yeah, it's like dawdling lazily along, and then it gets to the end and it just goes whoosh.
Thing is, I'm getting the whoosh with the whole body movements, but your camera doesn't get that. The babbling before the cascade. I've just noticed an old wall. I don't know if it's a ruin or just a boundary edge to an enclosure or something. These look like old walls falling down. I'm sure they're not. I'm sure it's meant to be like that. Sorry for the jolting. A moth. How pretty. I think this is an oak we need, Imo. It's got very big leaves.
I think I've got the big leaf oak.
I don't think I have. I can cross this one off, can I?
Got the common oak. Is there another one?
There's about 3.
Oh, right.
Could you find the oak section, please?
Okay, searching oak. Do we want common, holm, Cecil, or turkey?
It's not a turkey.
Common. Oh, it's getting
They'll
wet.
all be together. I've got common oak. Yeah, it's not an holm oak. That's a mulberry. Oh, maybe it's a Cecil oak. Maybe not. Maybe not. Maybe it's just got big leaves.
Oh, it's just big.
Turkey oak. Well, I can't see any other turkey oak fruit. I don't know. We found the next path off the route, and it's full of boulders. It's very rough and ready, and it's going downhill, which sounds lovely. But there's only one way back up, and it is back up. So, as much as it is going to be a delight to go down, we're going to hate it coming back up. And we've still got quite a lot of miles to do. So our calves are going to be killing by the time we get back. But we did bring tea supplies. So when we get back to Spog, we'll be all cozied up in Spog, having a nice cup of tea before we head back off again. I'm not walking with you again.
I'm sorry.
So we just let this nice couple walk past with their dog, and it was a staffy, and I have a thing for staffies. I think they're very cute. And I just said, well, aren't you cute? And before this guy's even out of earshot, Imo goes, who were you talking to? What was it? I hope you were talking to the
dog.
I do hope he didn't hear me say, well, he wasn't that bad actually. Oh dear. Well, that was a hike, and that was just going down, and we're going to have to go back up. But we'll show you what we've got. Imo's brought chocolate and crisps. Well done, that woman.
No, very needed.
It is. I'm getting the wobbles.
I am getting the wobbles. I'm just going to taste these crisps like
Okay.
me.
Go on then. You're my guinea pig. Oh, that is such a Lee look. you nailed it. Bellissimo, I think, is one of the words you want to use.
Bellissimo. I'm going to get all green, aren't I? I have visions of you falling off backwards into that thing. I'm slightly scared. Tree.
Imo takes the sensible route, and I will take the canyon. Whoa! Okay. Probably the best route. I'm going to get wet, aren't I? Very, very wet. Do we think it will take my weight?
Oh my goodness.
No, probably not. It's wobbling. I'll go back this way. Right. I am going over one way or another. I may have to put the camera down for this. Whoa! There's a slug's mother's meeting or father's meeting or general meeting. There's not 2 metre distancing going on there, is there? COVID spreading slugs. Wormy! He's got a yellow bottom.
He's got a tip.
I'm just going to move him. I'm going to help him so he doesn't get stood on. Airlifted. There you go. I didn't want to go that way. Yes, if my mum is watching this, Imo has done exactly the same walk as I have. Minus the pond and the rivers and the exploring ditches. And look how clean she is.
But on the other hand,
Has rising damp beyond the kneecaps and looks a little bit like a washed up rat. So you lovely lot, you might have worked out I'm in the Brecon Beacons and I've just done the 4 waterfall walk today. I'm going to do 2 videos out of it. One of them will probably be more to music. It'll have some info on parking that kind of stuff is a more van life video. This one is a bit more me, Imo, hanging out, having a vlog type video. So I'm going to just chuck this one up as a vlog, but there will be a more in-depth kind of travel-y guide type video going up about this area. And then tomorrow we're going to go to the coast and do a little bit of seaside-y type stuff. It probably won't be a sandy beach because there's a heat wave coming and all the sandy beaches will be packed. But hopefully we can find a quiet bay somewhere to just hang out. It's been an amazing day. I've absolutely loved hanging out with Imo today, and we've got another day of hanging out together tomorrow. I found a brilliant park up. I won't tell you where it is because I don't want to give away obviously where she lives, but a really good park up, so hopefully we won't have too much trouble here tonight. And yeah, it's been a great day. Anyway, I have editing to do and relaxing to do because we did a good 5.5 to 6 miles today. So thank you very much for watching, and I will see you all tomorrow.